Alright, this is how you terminate BNC connector onto, I think it's 25 gauge wire. First off, you're going to have these 4 pieces in one of these bags. I'm sending you these. You're going to have the main connector of the BNC that is going to connect to the monitor, the pin for inside the signal. It's a little protective sleeving. This is the part that will crimp the cable, the connector to the cable. First step, you're already going to have pre-cable like this. It's already terminated or already cut back the sleeve, so you won't have to worry about stripping that. You'll take the crimp connector, that thing is going to crimp on the cable, put that on first. That's very important, you don't want to forget that. We'll go ahead and strip back a little bit of this. There's going to be some braiding, the ground. You pull, just peel that back. Then you take the plastic insert, slide that over the top, just like so, and then strip back the remaining. Then you want to cut that down approximately where this pin will fit on it, almost halfway up that pin, so we'll trim that down right about there. I'm going to carefully slide over the pin. We're going to use your crimping tools. There's an orange dot right there. You want to put it right there. You want to be real careful not to crimp the actual wrong spot of it. I like to get it nice and snug, push it in there, and then give it one final crimp. You can see it's compressed on there. It's not going to pull off. Then we'll go ahead and put on the BNC connector over top of that. And that should go on there nice and snug. You should see the center pin. When you put your finger on it like that, it should leave a mark on your finger. So we're good there. Now we want to trim back the shield just a little bit. You want it to go flush up with that, but you don't want it hanging out when you move this connector up onto it, like so. I want to crimp that. And there you have it, BNC connector.